Good afternoon, student. Here I am Dr. Kshatriya. Welcome in my YouTube channel, that is Dr. Kshatriya Amita. So this channel is for particularly BSc Agri honor student. This topic we are going to discuss today is related to extension 111 under the course title Rural Sociology and Educational Psychology. So today's topic for discussion is social change. This is our 9th topic from this particular syllabus. So let's start this particular chapter, that is a social change. Under that we are going to discuss about the meaning, definition of social change, nature of social change and dimension of social change. So let's start. What is the meaning of social change? So meaning of social change is nothing but what is the change? Change is alternation, modification of variation. So that is our change. So alternation in the structure and function of a social system is called as your social change. This is the meaning of social change, that is alternation in the structure and function of social system. What is the definition? Definition nothing but here the social change is a continuous process over a period of time in which difference in a human relationship takes place. So it is the continuous process over a period of time. It is nothing for only 1 or 2 hours. It is a some period of time is required for the modification or changes or the alternation of particular thing. So it is the whatever the human relationship in the particular society that can be takes place is called as your social change. So again one definition is there. Social change is a term used to describe variation. So for to describe the different kind of the variation is also called as your social change. So alternation in the structure and function of a social system is your social change. Then what is the nature of social change? So the ecological ordering of population and communities is one of the nature of social change. So different kind of the population and communities that kind of the social changes also takes place. Different kind of the pattern of roles and social interaction in between the peoples. Okay, so different peoples having a different kind of the roles according to their duties, according to their what kind of the group they have in a particular social society or social system. Then in the structure and function of institutions, so different kind of the institutions are present in the rural and urban society. So in rural society there is a family is there, marriage is there, religion, caste, class, again education system is there, government system is there, economic is there. So different kind of the institutions are there, their structure and functioning is also different. Then the culture of society, so different kind of the culture is there, under that different kind of the customs are there, so traditions, religions, celebration of festivals. So all these are the your social change, nature of social change. Then the next point we are going to discuss, that is a very important point, as a dimension of social change. So there is a 3 dimensions of social change are there. What are that? So first one is a structural dimension, second one is a cultural dimension and third one is a interaction dimension. So these 3 are the dimension of social change, which are that structural, cultural and interaction. So we are going to discuss one by one what is a structural dimension, what is a cultural dimension and what is the interaction dimension. So structural dimension is nothing but here changes in the structural form of society, that is your structural dimension. So whatever the changes is happen in the structure of the particular form of society, that is the changes in the roles, emergence of new roles, the changes in the class or caste structure, changes in the social institutions like family, government, school or education system, changes in the structure of the rural family, village council or panchayat. Okay, and the modification of channel of communication. So different kind of the roles having with the different people who are having the particular duties or particular group in the particular social system. Then there is a class and caste system as structure is also having some changes. If the particular social status is changed by the particular class group, that is a lower, middle and rich class or upper class is there. So if the lower class people have changed their social status by earning the money, earning the power, they can move toward the middle class or upper class. Okay, so like that. So movement from one class to another class is possible. In caste structure there is also, when the intercaste marriage is there, the caste will be changed. So like that changes in the class and caste structure. Social institution, family, Okay, so from joint family to nuclear family will be changes there. Okay, school and education, they have a different kind of the functions and roles are there, so that can be modified according to their situation, according to their objectives. Then the rural family, village council, that also changes according to their particular objective or particular whatever the role played by the members of the particular family. Different kind of channels are there for communication. Communication is the sharing of feelings and ideas in between the peoples. So different kind of the medium are there. Okay, so nowadays it's and mobile are there, so through WhatsApp, through social media, we can communicate with each other indirectly. Okay, their face to face communication is there, or indirectly communication is there, personal, impersonal communication, and different kind of the media channel are there. Okay, so radio, television, mobile. Okay, computer is there, mobile is there, print media is there, news, magazines, all these things are there. So this is under these are the changes, or these are the dimensions under the structural. Then we move towards the next point, that is the cultural dimension, is the and the cultural dimension. So it is the changes in the culture of the society, such through the innovation of new technology. Okay, contact with the other culture, involving the diffusion and cultural borrowing. So if any new technology is invited to the particular social system, so automatically changes in the particular culture will be happen. Then through the when we borrowing the other culture from other there is Western culture is there, African culture is there, rather than our Indian culture. So for example, what type of the things we are borrowing, that is we are our Indian culture is what we are eating the food by our fingers, by using our fingers. But nowadays we are eating the food by using the fork, spoon, or knife is there. So that is one of the example involving diffusion. So if any new any idea or thing is there, is new by the member of a particular society, and they are pursue that particular thing as a new over a time of period, that is your diffusion. Okay, so here anything is a new pursued for the particular people who are living in that particular social system. So that is one of the thing is there. So through that we can change the culture. It involves the integration of new elements, okay, into the culture. So it will be the replacement of the old world. As we taken the example of celebration of festival, so basic culture is same. So we are celebrating the same festival, but way of celebrating the particular festival is changed. Okay, so according to the new modern technology or new modern way of method of celebrating the particular festival is a change. The dressing style is there, method of the changing per particular festival, particular traditions. So that are the changes, but basic culture is the same, but way of celebrating the particular thing is a different. So that is about your cultural dimension. Then the next is your interaction dimension. So this is the third dimension of the social change. So interaction dimension of social change refers to the changes in the social relationship in a society as under 5 dimensions. So under this interaction, what is this interaction dimension of social change? Changes in the social relationship in the particular society. So whatever the relationship have between the peoples who are living in the particular group, particular social system, that is your interaction dimension. It is a depend on the interaction, what kind of the interaction having with the persons with each other. So that is the frequency is there. So what is the frequency? What kind of the interaction you have? It is a frequent, numerous, or continuous type. So according to that, your social relationship is a depend. Then the social distance, it is an intimate type of the interaction is there, informal or formal. According to that, interaction dimension is there. Instrumentality, it is a horizontal or opposite. What kind of the direction you have, interaction you have, in which direction, horizontally or opposite. So according to that is this is the one of the dimension is there. Directionality, how you treat the particular participant who are involved in the particular communication or interaction. So treatment of participant, it is a personally or impersonally. According to that, the interaction is there. Okay, so interactive or change of form, that is what kind of the relation you have with, what kind of the interaction is there. It is a fighting type or cooperative type on a particular subject or particular issue. So that is a thing is there. So these are the some 5 dimensions under the interaction dimensions, and one example is given under this interaction dimension. It is a social change in a village as a result of urbanization can be analyzed. Okay, so in terms of what variation of frequency of social contact and relation within the village, that is your one of the examples. So shift from primary group to secondary group. Okay, so this is about our today's topic. It is a part 1 we discussed today about the social change. In next lecture we are going to discuss about the factors of social change. Thank you.